What's that now?
Keep it right! Oh, I farted. I'll drive this up. Final touch here of the 8.6. Corey sprayed up the covers, polished up the rose. I don't know. Yes. Funny angles. Yeah. Polished up the nice little intake that we had. Sits it perfectly in there. Probably nice to clean out those clamps a little bit. But yeah, we've got the new leads, polished up covers, everything. Even cleaned up the firewall and everything. And this last little piece got sticker made locally, and yeah, let's get her on there. If I can feel it. Get my nails right in there. Factory. Okay. Okay. This is nerve-wracking.
Oh.
Okay. Oh,
what are you doing?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. There's a link there. Done. Factory. Dunsky, son. 4AG. 86 finished. Oh, and don't forget, just finished applying the Keep a Reet street banner. Finish her off. Now we give her a wash, and Mike's coming down, and I've also got Tom Shapard Productions coming to do a Gangster Hills Run video of this piece, so that'll be uploaded soon, which should really suit this car. Hear all the sexy noises now. It's all running nicely and whatnot. But yeah, that's it. Those right. Oh, fresh battery too, if you didn't realise. All the things. What else, Corey? Tell me. You painted up these brackets.
Yeah,
Not too much.
There wasn't much really. Like, it's just little bits and pieces that just clean it up that bit nicer. Like, you know, the covering that was all over the battery clamp was all shit, so I cleaned it all up.
Just little things, neaten up heaps.
Clean stuff.
We dropped the
new
height.
lines and stuff like that.
Dropped the height a bit. Yeah, dropped the height. She's sitting real nice now. Oh, that's right. The bucket seat.
Oh yeah.
Can't forget about that. Go forward, tiny bit. Oh yeah.
Come a bit more. If you need. I think you need it to get the door past. Yeah, that'll do. You should get the door past there.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
So, we have this beautiful Velo racing seat. I was sitting up pretty high at the start. We ended up solid mounting it down lower. Yeah, the carbon Kevlar. Boy, it just suits the car. The interior's so nice in this thing. Check out the camera. We'll just give her a quick look-see in there. The steering wheel's a little bit hairy going. Couldn't find another one. I think it's nice. The interior's just real neat and nice. Back seats and all. She's just she's beautiful.
Stereo.
Yeah, we got the factory stereo. Come with the car. I think there was a few other little things, but yeah, she's nice. Thank you, Corey. So yeah, it'll be good to see how this thing goes when we get it out this weekend. See how she drives a bit nicer. What a beast. Is that it? She can run, yeah?
Yeah,
Put
you can
coolant,
start
you've
it.
got everything, yeah.
It'll run.
See how she starts.
Fix the clutch fan and stuff as well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the heater's on. Yeah, because bleeding, you know, cooling system things.
Fuel pump. Ooh, straight to the 1000 RPM. Get it all up and we'll do some nice bits of it, but very nice. Alright, so we're back here another day. Real cold ass overcast day today. Got me big boy Tundra with some stocky wheels for roadworthy things. And just pulled the 86 out for another wash. So what's basically happened is that I took this car up for a little drive up the hills with Mike Lake and Tom Shepard to do a nice to do the giveaway video. So there's some sick footage for that coming out. If it's already out, then I'll yeah, chuck the link in the description. And yeah, so this car's pretty much all done now, and she drives real nice. So I'm gonna do a little test now. I'm gonna chuck the GoPro on it because I didn't get any in car for you to see from inside the car and get some nice exhaust sounds for you all now. So let's get that done. Oh, well, I'm in here and it is a very tight fit. My ass only just fits in here. But yeah, the seat's definitely a bit too tight, and I'm a bit too close to the steering wheel, but she be right. Let's see if she starts. Ooh. Got the clutch in and my knee is still fully bent because we had to solid mount the seat and try and get it as low as possible to make it a bit nice. So you can play with it a bit. So if you're a bit taller or shorter or whatever, you can adjust it to suit. Anyway, let's get out of here and see how she drives. Well, there you have it. Made it back in one piece. Those mountain roads are a bit slappery. But yeah, I ain't no Takumi, but you can see the fun in these little cars. So they like to rev. They're pretty punchy, torquey little 4-cylinder, and yeah, it's pretty much just handles like a little go-kart out there. A nice comfy go-kart. Yeah, nice little rig, and she sounds nice. She sounds the part, and yeah, as you can see, she's absolutely immaculate. So hope you enjoyed that review, and see you next time.